Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Tether, USDT, from Kraken to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets for trading, staking, or just diversifying, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. Tether is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, but transferring it between exchanges requires attention to detail to avoid any hiccups like fees or delays. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, go ahead and verify your identity if needed. Security is key in the crypto world. Once you're in, head over to the Withdraw or Funds section, usually found in the Wallet or Accounts tab. It's that simple drop-down or button that says Withdraw Crypto. Next, select Tether, USDT, from the list of available assets. Kraken supports multiple networks for USDT, like Ethereum, ERC20, or Tron, TRC20. So double-check which one matches your Kucoin wallet to avoid any transaction failures. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so keep an eye on those to ensure you're not surprised by costs. The crucial step is entering the recipient address. Copy and paste your Kucoin USDT wallet address directly from the Kucoin app or website. Never type it manually to prevent errors. After that, you'll need to confirm the details, including the amount and fees. Kraken will likely prompt you for two-factor authentication, 2FA, so have that ready to add an extra layer of security. Once you've reviewed everything, hit confirm and sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Kucoin account to check if the funds have arrived. And always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. Wrapping this up, withdrawing Tether from Kraken to Kucoin in 2025 is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Crypto can be volatile, so stay informed and double-check everything to protect your assets. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.